Introduction. Are you an aspiring photographer looking to take your skills to the next level? If so, photography workshops and expeditions might be just what you need. In today's digital era, where anyone with a smartphone can capture a photo, it's essential to stand out from the crowd. Participating in photography workshops and expeditions not only helps you refine your technical skills but also provides unique opportunities for personal and artistic growth. Let's dive into the world of workshops and expeditions and explore the numerous benefits they offer. 2. Understanding photography workshops. Definition and purpose of photography workshops. Photography workshops are immersive learning experiences designed to enhance your photography skills and expand your creative horizons. Led by professional photographers, these workshops provide hands-on guidance, allowing you to learn new techniques, improve your composition, and develop your own unique style. How workshops enhance photography skills. Workshops offer a dynamic learning environment where you can practice photography in real-world settings. This hands-on approach allows you to apply the knowledge gained from expert instructors, experiment with different camera settings, and receive immediate feedback on your work. By immersing yourself in the process, you'll develop a better understanding of lighting, composition, and storytelling through your photographs. Different types of workshops available. Photography workshops come in various formats to cater to different interests and skill levels. Some workshops focus on specific genres like landscape, wildlife, or portrait photography, while others cover a broader range of topics. Whether you're a beginner seeking a solid foundation or an experienced photographer looking to refine your skills, there's a workshop tailored to your needs. 3. Choosing the right photography workshop. Identifying personal goals and interests before embarking on a photography workshop. It's essential to identify your personal goals and interests. Are you interested in nature photography or street photography? Do you want to improve your technical skills or explore your artistic vision? Understanding your aspirations will help you select a workshop that aligns with your objectives. Researching workshop providers and instructors. Thoroughly researching workshop providers and instructors is crucial to ensure a high-quality learning experience. Look for reputable organizations or photographers with extensive experience and positive reviews. Check their portfolios, read testimonials from past participants, and evaluate their teaching methodologies to determine if they resonate with your learning style. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.